What's up you guys, Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video I'm going to break down the easiest way to sell GoHighLevel as a SaaS. And SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Recently GoHighLevel launched their SaaS mode, which is getting everyone super excited about going through and turning their digital marketing agency into a software as a service. And the cool thing about this is that it is replicating the same exact billion-dollar business models of Podium, Bird Eye, Weave, Thrive, some of the top biggest software companies out there that are growing massively and Silicon Valley investors are putting tons and tons of money into. And the cool thing about it is you can get started and literally replicate these exact business models for pennies on the dollar. So as we're moving into this new era with GoHighLevel's SaaS mode, lots of people are wondering, how do I actually go through and sell the GoHighLevel system as a software platform? Now, for those of you guys who are brand new here to the channel, my name is Jason Wardrop. I started my own software company about 6 years ago, and I've since been able to get over 15,000 software clients onto that software. But now after running my own software company and now looking at the tool set that Sean and team has given us with the GoHighLevel platform, this is absolutely an amazing opportunity for each and every one of you to go through and start your own software company or convert your digital marketing agency into a software play. Now, the biggest question though is, how do I actually go through and sell this as a software platform? Because if you look at the GoHighLevel system, there are so many tools, there are so many features. What do you actually focus on? Now, one of the things I became really good at with running my own software company was simplifying the tool set, the features, and the service that I was offering to my clients. Because if you look at GoHighLevel, there are so many tools, there are so many features. If somebody signs up, they have no idea what they're doing, they're gonna get lost and they're gonna cancel immediately. Now, I know a common saying that's been going around the GoHighLevel community is if you just go through and change your service from offering a marketing agency service to just offering software and tools, it's gonna reduce your churn down to like 2 to 3%. That's actually not true. That's only gonna happen if you have a great onboarding and activation process in place, and if you've simplified the tool set enough that the end user can actually know how to use the tools to receive the benefit that you're promising. So what I've done when I went through and I white labeled the GoHighLevel software for my own company is I really simplified it and dumbed it down. I know a ton of people are moving every feature over to the far left column of the SaaS configurator and just charging $97 per month, but that is probably one of the stupidest things that you could possibly do. So for my base plan, I am focusing on literally 2 core features, and that is online reviews, and I'm focusing on the unified inbox. And the way I go through and present this and explain it to my customers is basically solving my own pain that I had with my own small business, and it's the same exact pain that pretty much every other small local business has out there. So if you look at online reviews, people don't really want to go through and post reviews for an electrician or a plumber or an automotive company. It's just not hot and sexy. They want to go through and leave a review for a fancy restaurant or a fancy hotel that then they can go through and post that on Facebook and share with everyone, because then they can say, hey, I stayed at this really awesome hotel, or I went and ate at this really nice restaurant. But they don't really want to go through and say, hey, I use this really cool plumber, right? And so I saw it with my own software business where it's not really sexy to leave a review for a software company. And so a lot of times we get reviews, but the reviews that we got were just those bad apples. The people that no matter what you did, even if you went over the top to help serve them, they were just gonna be annoyed and they're just gonna be disappointed no matter what. And so although we had thousands of customers with an amazing experience, their first thought wasn't to go through and leave our business a review online because they were just happy and satisfied. And that's the case with most customers. Most people are not thinking of going through and leaving a review for a business. So when you're talking with a small business owner, you don't need to go through and show them step by step how you're gonna go through and get reviews, because at the end of the day, they don't care about that. All they care about is the end result of getting more reviews and getting more 5-star reviews so they can bring more customers into their business. But you wanna meet them where they're at and talk to them about, hey, are you getting online reviews? Oh, no, you're not, because you're not asking for reviews. Oh, okay, and then the handful of reviews that you do have, there's a lot of actually bad reviews because it's only the customers that had a bad experience, but you're better than that, you know you're better than that, and so let's go through and let's catch your best customers at the best time to go through and leave a 5-star review. So the story that your business is telling online is the actual story that you want to be told to future customers searching out your business. And that right there, guys, that is enough, I think, to go through and charge $300 per month for that business. Now, one other thing I stack on top of this is the whole concept of a streamlined, unified inbox, which the GoHighLevel platform makes this so easy. And I experienced this exact pain in my own software business, where I would have people reaching out on my Facebook business page, my company's basic Facebook business page, my personal brand Facebook business page. They'd reach out via email or web chat, SMS, they'd call in. There was just so many communication channels, whereas 40 years ago, there was literally go through and call the landline, leave a voicemail, or send a postcard to that business. That was it. But then as time went on, you had cell phones that came about, and then texting came along, and then Facebook Messenger, now Google Chat. There's just all these ways to go through and communicate with your business. And the truth is, most of these small business owners are missing out on business because they're missing messages. So my whole pitch here is never miss another message, never miss another lead, or never miss out on another customer again. Selling to somebody's fear of loss is always better than selling to the potential gain that they can have. So if we're showing them all these missed messages and showing how other businesses that we're working with are missing out on messages, but now they're streamlined into one simple inbox so they never miss another message, never miss another lead, and never miss another customer again, that alone, guys, is an easy $300 per month offer of the online reviews and the streamlined unified inbox. And you can basically cut out all of the other tools and features inside of the GoHighLevel software system. And think about that. The setup for that and the ongoing fulfillment is extremely easy, and your customer receives massive benefit and value from this service. Now, the truth is, the base setup of GoHighLevel, when you're turning it into your own software platform, it offers way more features than that. So it offers call reporting, offers the online listings. So if you want to go through and use CSS to completely remove all those just like I did, I will show you guys how to do that step by step and how to really simplify your onboarding, how to have the step-by-step onboarding docs where every single day a new email goes out and shows them how to go through and actually activate their account, plus help you go through and activate their account so they're gonna stick on with you long term, and so you can actually reduce your churn down to the 2 to 3% that everyone's talking about. Because if you can reduce your churn to 2 to 3%, that is where the big money is. That's what Podium's done. That's what a lot of these other software companies have done. And so if you can do that, you become extremely valuable, that then you can go through and potentially even sell that business one day if you'd like to. So anyway, if you want to go through and set that up step by step just like I've done it, I'm going to have a free 30-day trial link to go through and sign up for the GoHighLevel SaaS mode platform in the description as well as in the top comment. And for everyone that signs up with that, I'm going to break down my exact business model, exactly how I'm doing it, exactly how I'm onboarding people. I'm going to give you guys all the templates, my sales funnels templates, my website templates, all of the email onboarding templates, everything that I'm using A to Z, plus the custom CSS, so you can literally just copy and paste into the agency admin settings to remove the excess features that literally you just do not need. And then from there, I also break down what you should then upsell to these customers after you've gotten them in at a $200 or $300 per month price point, to then go through and ascend these customers into a higher price point of $350, $400, even eventually $500 per month, so you can maximize the revenues and profits for your business. So anyway, guys, if you guys want that, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the top comment to get a free 30-day trial link to the GoHighLevel SaaS mode platform. I will hook you up. I will share all that content with you guys, exactly what I'm doing step by step. And with that said, if you found this video helpful, go ahead, smash the like button. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I do my best to launch new videos every single week. Sometimes I'm traveling, like you can see right here. Got a little bit different drop back than normal. I'm actually in Utah for the summer because Arizona is blazing hot right now, so nobody wants to be a part of that. So I came over here to be about 20 degrees cooler. It's still freaking hot, but such is life. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.